What's up, everybody? I am back with another video, but today we are talking about masking. It's all about masking. And today I am going to talk about our Mary Kay Pink Clay Mask. And if you are one who work and have a busy day, and maybe you have children, you've been chasing kids all day long, and you simply want to relax, well, let me tell you something. This product is going to help you relax and unwind, okay? When I say it's going to help you relax and unwind, yes. So it has this floral scent in it. And if you have any type of fatigue, this product is for you. Put the clay mask on your face. Let it stay on your face for about 10 minutes as you relax, close your eyes. And man, you will feel so good and will sleep so well. So let's get into this video as I show you how to use this product. So before I get into the clay mask, what I want to do is I want to wipe off or take off my eye makeup with this Mary Kay eye makeup remover. This product immediately removes any eye makeup you have. It's oil free, and I mean, I love it. I remove lipstick from it, your eyelashes. It's just perfect for removing eye makeup. See? Just takes it right off. I just hold it there on my eye. I'll hold it there and completely take that off my eye. All the eye makeup gone, okay? I may have just a little bit of residue left, but I want to make sure that it's all the way off my eye here. Okay, so now that my eye makeup is off, now I am going to use the clay mask, and I am going to use this silicone brush. This silicone brush is amazing to use for your product, okay? It's not like a brush where it would hold the product in there. The silicone brush, it's going to apply it on there smoothly, and you're not going to waste any product, right? So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to put a little bit of the product on the brush. And as we go, I am going to put it across here on my forehead. And just brush it all down across. I'm going to need just a little bit more in here. And brush it all over. I didn't put enough. I'm telling you guys, this smells so good. I'm looking down in my mirror if you are wondering what it is that I'm doing. So I'm going to put the mask all over. Smells really good. So it's a light floral scent, like I said before. It smells amazing, and I can see why it'll relax you because of that scent. It's so calming. So very calming. So now everybody, now that I've had the product on my face, you leave it on your skin for about 10 minutes. And one of the things about Mary Kay is that their products, it wipes off really easy. So I have wet my tile, and look, it's a Mary Kay, I don't know if you can see it, if I got it backwards. It's a Mary Kay face cloth with eyes on it. I think that's so cute. But you just wipe this off. It comes off very easily. I got it all in my hair. That's okay. So you wipe that off. So I'm wiping it off. You wipe this off of your skin. So now you can see my fresh, clean skin. Feels nice and soft. And so the next thing I'm gonna talk to you guys about is our Mary Kay charcoal mask and our Mary Kay Renewal gel. So I will come back with some more information on these two products. So basically what I've done is I'm doing what we call multi masking. And so what I did was I used the clear proof a charcoal mask around my T-zone in the areas where I am oily. Now, this product is for all skin types, but it is really good for those of you who have acne, large pores, and what it does is it pulls those toxins out. So this is our charcoal mask. It has like a mint scent to it, but it immediately begins to start working on your skin. And the other one, which is our moisture renewing gel. This is a gel, and I put the gel, if you could see, I put in this area and here. So what this does is hydrate your skin. So those areas, those of you who need hydration, more moisture in your skin, this is what the moisture renewing gel mask does for you. So with both of these, I'm gonna leave them on for 10 minutes as they go and, penetrate into my skin. So we do have masks for everything. So for everyone who wants to mask for whatever your need is. So now that my skin is nice, fresh, and clean, I have to show you what I do after I mask. So my next thing is I'm going to put my eye cream on, because a lot of times, we forget to moisturize up under our eye. And it's very important that you moisturize under the eye. I am going to use our Mary Kay Volu-Firm. It's a Volu-Firm Eye Renewal Cream. And it has this silver top. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of the eye cream with my ring finger. You wanna use this finger because this finger is the weakest finger. And I'm also going to put it on my lid here. I just like to put the eye cream up there, because when I'm putting on my other product, I don't want to get it in my eye. I'm telling you, you don't want to get this stuff in your eye. So I take my brush here and I soothe it. So this eye cream, dark circles in the eyes, and gives my eyes the hydration it needs, okay? So then that's my eye cream. And because I am a woman of a mature age, I am going to use this here. And this here is this is the Volu-Firm Deep Wrinkle Filler. And so what it does is if you have lines, you pat this in. That. Pat, 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 pat. Okay. and it helps with getting rid of those lines. So I use this deep wrinkle filler day and night. Then I'm going to take my Volu-Firm Advanced Lifting Serum, and I'm putting it here. I pat it on my face here. The lower areas. And the Renewal, the lifting serum helps lift up the neck, or where you have that, you know, as you get older, your skin starts to sag. So you do that. And the last thing, the very last thing I do before I go to bed is I'm going to use our Volu-Firm night treatment. And this night treatment has retinol in it. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of it, dab it here, here, under my neck. And this is also going to even my skin tone, moisturize my skin, help my skin look healthier and younger. And that's the end, you guys. That's all I do. My regular routine at night before I go to bed when I've had a stressful day is do my skincare. And I love my skin.